Hello everyone. So this video will be helpful for those who want to know how to write a code which can be used as a standalone script and module both. For the demo purpose, I am using two Python codes. One will be my script.py, second will be my caller.py. First, let's understand what I am doing in script.py. So here I had defined two functions, and in each function I am printing some statement. And at the end, I am calling these functions. Let's try to run it. So here it is printing hello from script and goodbye. So this is what the script is expected to do. This code is working perfectly fine as a standalone script. Now I want to use it as a module. So let's see how we can do it. In caller.py, I am using import script to import my script.py code. And then I am saying print hello from caller, and at the end I am calling the end function of my script, which is nothing but goodbye. So as per this code, my expectation is first it should print hello from caller and then it should print goodbye. So let's try to run it. Oh, so this result I was not expecting. So I was expecting only last two lines, hello from caller and goodbye. Why this is printing first two lines? Let's try to understand that first. So when you import a script in your code, it will try to execute that script. Okay, so because of that only it is printing hello from script goodbye, then it is printing hello from caller and goodbye. So to address this issue, I have to modify my script.py in such a way that it should not print this first two lines when I'm using it as a module. So let's see how we can do it. So when you run a Python code, Python interpreter assigns some special variables to it. So we'll be using one of that variable to address our issue. I will be using name variable to identify whether my script is called as a standalone script or it is called as a module. So if I say this and then let's try to run our code. So when I execute my script.py as a standalone script, the value of name variable will be main. Okay, let's try to run it from the caller.py now. So here you can see when I'm using my script.py as a module, then the value of name variable is changed to script, which is nothing but the name of my code. Let's see the value of name variable for caller.py here. So here I'm executing my caller.py. That's why the name variable is main for caller.py. Now I'll make use of name variable to identify whether my script is a standalone script or it's a module. So for that I'll make below code changes. If name variable is double equal to main, then so what this condition says, if my name variable is double equal to main, it means when my script is called directly as a standalone script, then only execute start and end functions, else don't do anything. So let's try to run it. Okay, so my code is working fine as a standalone script. Now let's see how it's working as a module. Oh great, so my code is working fine as a module as well. So now it is printing only two statements like hello from caller and goodbye. Now it is not printing the other two messages. So this is how we can make use of name variable to run a code as a standalone script and as module both. That's it guys. So if you like the video, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.